have the mixture
Speak up loud.
buck chasing the female goats. Oh, and a young buck was trying to move in on the old buck's ladies. He thought he could just go down there and get them some. The old buck's not going to have any of that. He's just patiently looking, trying to wait for that little goat to come out. He says, I know you want some of this. You can hear him make all kinds of noises trying to coax her out. But she's not having, she's playing hard to get. Now you hear our female hen who thinks he's a him. It's quite a gender confused chicken. Oh, and the hyena is about to cross in front of the camera, sniffing around. Oh, we have a prairie chicken coming across. It's hard to believe the amount of wildlife that we have out here. All over the place. But as you see, they all come around the watering hole. Oh, there's a little goat we call Adrian. Hi, Adrian.
She doesn't care.
Okay. Cut.